Whoa, Thursday, June 8th, 2023, advanced Molcajette seasoning. So I put some garlic in here and I ground it around and with a little bit of pepper in there. And so it's kind of just like you think it would do. That garlic oil kind of cements everything together. And once that starts to dry, I mean, it's like concrete. You gotta work to get that off. So I think that's going to be really good. I wiped it out with a paper towel. Got some on the pestle. Is that this would be the mortar, this would be the pestle. So next step, I looked up again and I saw some more videos, and you can actually cook on the grill with these. I got to get at least one more of these to cook on the grill with it. But I decided, yeah, I'm gonna go full out. I'm gonna flame cure this and season this with some fire. So I'm getting a good little hickory fire going here. Let me get my beer can out of this to hydrate my fire when I get a crazy fire going there. You get a big old beer can full of water and you can control that. So I'm going to let this get going here. I'm going to let that get a little smoky. And I'm going to tip this over on top of there and let some of that smoke and stuff and all that fire get right. Oh, there's the sun finally. And we're going to get this thing cooked up, seasoned up, smoked up, and it's going to be awesome. Yeah, so the videos that I saw had the Molcajette, and they had it filled with, I don't know, I guess there was like beans and rice and some sauce, and there was peppers sticking out, and there was cheese bubbling down the side of it, and like shrimp or, you know, chicken or beef in there, or maybe all three. I don't know, pork. You could do all sorts of stuff. Man, it just looked so good. I was like, I'm down with that. I'm getting one of these to cook on the fire with. So I put this right in the fire, in the flame there, getting that really nice. You don't got to worry about this. It's lava rock. I think you can get it as hot as you want. It's not going to hurt it, but that's going to burn and caramelize and carbonize that stuff in there and really set that. So I think this is a good, idea, extra idea, until you get burned. It's all fun until somebody gets hurt. All right, this is a pretty good fire going there actually, and I don't want to get it too sooty, smoky. It's kind of got a little flame on there, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna rinse and clean that out a little bit. You never want to use soap in your Molcajette. Never put soap in there. Well, then you've got a soapajette. You're going to put soap in everything you cook. That's why you want to season it with good, delicious things. I was even thinking maybe throwing a little bit of whiskey in there and light that thing on fire like a flambe. But that's, you know, just my brain thinking. All right, I had this thing going on there a few minutes. You could see, wow, it looks pretty good. Oh wow, it smells even better. That is going to be fantastic. Yeah, I think I'm going to push that one little piece of wood over a little bit here. Get that open flame kind of kicking a little bit there. Yeah, that's a pretty clean looking little fire. I'm going to tip that over. Hang on a bit. Take both hands to do that. There it is. I put it upside down right over the fire. I'm going to get that thing nice and hot and get that stuff carbonized, caramelized, cook. Ooh, wow, that's pretty hot. Don't want to touch that after it's been in the fire for a while. But yeah, that looks really good. If I get the inside to look like that, it's going to be awesome. Yeah, I got to go order another one of these. See if I got any money. Oh man, this has been on there for a couple minutes. I put the mortar down in there or the pestle down in there for a few seconds right in the fire. You can see it kind of made it black and carbonize that. But oh man, the smell coming off that, smells so good. Let's take a look at it. Low and slow, baby. Got some heat going in there. Let me kick that fire around a little bit down there. Ooh. All right, I took it to the last level. I stuck it right on the fire. This thing's, oh my God. Oh, it smells better. Oh, I'm telling you, once you get that garlic burnt into the stone, oh, that smells so good. So I dropped the whole thing down in there into the fire. Hopefully it's not going to drop out the bottom of my grill because I just about rusted through there. I'm just going to give that a few seconds on there, let it capture that maximum heat for a few seconds and just roast that on there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that is very, very hot. It pulled it off. Smoke was coming off of it, obviously. But, yeah, I think that's good. I'm just going to let it cool. Wow, that's really hot. I'll let that cool. I think it'd cool off after 2 seconds, wouldn't you? But I'm just going to let that cool down a little bit. I probably left it on there a little bit more. It's not all carbonized yet, but I think that's going to be good. Mega seasoning.